In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating PST files to other formats, using the Recovery Tools Outlook PST Migrator. To install the Recovery Tools Outlook PST Migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here, users will see Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data option to automatically load Outlook. And, let me select my Outlook Mailbox Data option if users have any particular PST files or folder they want to migrate. Users can choose either one of the available options. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Use Recovery Mode is a feature within the software that helps recover or repair corrupted or damaged PST or OST files. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as MSG, EML, PST, text, MBOX, and many others. Let's select MBOX option for this tutorial. Ignore System Folders Hierarchy if enabled will migrate all emails into a single target folder without replicating Outlook's folder structure. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Our tool provides filter options to precise the conversion. Check on Use Advanced Settings for filter saving options. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported MBOX file, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. Import or export settings lets you save or load your filter settings. After selecting the filter options, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted PST files using the Recovery Tools Outlook PST Migrator. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.